Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video I'd like to show you 7 tricks to sound more Austrian. Some of you wanted to know more about the alphabet in Austrian German. In general, the alphabet is actually the same as in Standard German. Nevertheless, there are some sounds that are a little bit different compared with Standard German. That's what we're gonna focus on today. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn 7 tricks to sound more Austrian. Let's start with the sound wahr. Wahr, even wahr, means something, namely egg or eye in Standard German. Another example is wahr, which is wahr or wahr in Standard German, and was or true in English. A famous word in Austria and in Bavaria is dahoam. Dahoam. This means at home in English. A final at home is called finale dahoam. In northern Germany, people would rather say dahoam, but in Austria or Bavaria, people say dahoam. Second, ihr is often used. For example, mir is we. There is the famous slogan of Bayern Munich, which is called Wir sind wir, meaning something like we are who we are. Additional examples are Kier for cows or Bier for beer. Third, the letter O is often used instead of A in spoken language. For example, instead of Salat, you will come across Solot. Or instead of Wasser, you will hear Wasser. There is a special letter for it in spoken language, but I'd like to keep it simple. Fourth, there is a strange sound, which is ksh. For instance, clever is gescheit, or carnival party is gschnas. Or to say it has been snowing, you can say es hat geschneit. Fifth, tl or zl are common endings in Austrian German. The basketball player Pörtl would be an example, Pörtl. Or in Vienna, a small quarter is called Kretzel, Kretzel. Sixth, Uhr is a common sound in Austrian German. Famous words are gut for good or tut for das. Seventh, the letters P and T are rather pronounced in a soft way, similar to B or D. For instance, in Germany, people may say, Mein Vater fährt einen Porsche. In Austria, you may come across, Mein Vater fährt einen Bursche. After having watched this video, I hope you're a bit more familiar with common sounds in Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.